Hi everyone. Measurement of voltage, current and power factor in an RC series circuit. Let the resistor R be of the wire wound type and the value be 100 ohms at 1.5 amps. Let the capacitor C be of the electrolytic type and the 8 MFD millifarad 250 volts. Check the capacitor for good condition using multimeter. To test the capacitor with a multimeter, set the meter to read in the high ohms range, somewhere above 10K and 1 m ohms. Touch the meter leads to the corresponding leads on the capacitor, red to positive and black to negative. The meter should start at 0 and then moving slowly toward infinity. Connect the resistor R and capacitor C series with each other. RC circuit. Connect the ammeter, wattmeter and power factor meter in series with the RC circuit. Wattmeters and power factor meters, current and voltage coils should be connected in series and parallel in the circuit respectively. Connect the 3 voltmeters V in parallel to the circuit and VR and VC in parallel to resistor R and capacitor C respectively. Connect the circuit to the AC supply through an MCB or DPST switch. Energize the circuit by switching on the MCB or DPST switch. Note the readings of the ammeter, voltmeters, V, VR and VC, wattmeter and power factor meter in the tabulation. V1 must be equal to the vector sum of VR and VC. Now, calculate the power factor from the wattmeter, voltmeter and ammeter readings. Substitute the values in the formula cos pi is equal to W by VI. Compare the calculated value with the power factor meter reading and ensure they are approximately equal and the value is in the leading power factor. Calculate the total power consumed by the circuit using the formula P is equal to VI cos pi. Set the resistor R and capacitor C with different values and follow the same procedure as so far. Measurement of voltage, current and power factor in an RLC series circuit. Let the resistor R be a wire wound type with a value of 500 ohms and 2.5 amps. The inducer L be a 40 watt tube light choke and the capacitor C be an electrolytic capacitor with a value of 4 MFD. Connect resistor R, inductor L and capacitor C all in series to form the RLC series circuit. Connect the ammeter, wattmeter and power factor meter to the circuit. Connect the voltmeter V in parallel with or between the circuits. Connect the remaining 3 voltmeters VR, VL and VC, each ranging from 0 to 300 volts, in parallel to the resistors R, inductor choke coil L and capacitor C respectively. Connect the AC supply to the circuit through the MCB. Switch on the MCB. Note down the readings from ammeters, wattmeters and power factor meters and all voltmeter readings in the tabulation. Ensure the voltmeter reading V is equal to the vector sum of VR, VL and VC. Calculate the power factor by substituting the values of voltmeter V, ammeter A and wattmeter in the formula cos pi is equal to W by VI. Compare the calculated value with the power factor meter readings and ensure both are the same. Find the power factor for different values of RLC components by following the same procedure. I hope after watching this video, you will be able to measure the voltage, current, power and power factor in series RL, RC and RLC series circuits. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.